everybody. I am Eswa Umesh. I am studying in Spic Nagar Secondary School, 7th standard. Today I present a floor cleaning machine. Needed things: 4 wheels, 7 motors, 2 heat releasing fans, connecting wires. Needed long length of wire, Lysol, and 1 liter of water. 2 boxes, pipes, attaching with pipes. Take 1 box, put 4 holes at the corners and put 3 holes in the center of the box and fix 7 motors in 7 holes and fix 2 heat releasing fans in the back side and connect the wires with long length of wires. Now, in the two motors, we have to fix circular disc brush in the 1 motor square brush. Now, the machine is ready. Now, we will add 1 liter of water and Lysol and close the box. Floor cleaning machine is very useful one thing. Circular disc brush can be used for better cleaning. Brushes at the corner may help the cleaning easily. The motor can be fixed for moving purpose for easy moving. Anyone can operate this machine easily. Maintenance cost is also very less. Our 2 eyes are country and house. All is well that ends well. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ಇದು ಹೌಸಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ.
Floor cleaning machine is used in hospitals, houses, auditorium, shops, computer centers, etc.